In today's video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano i-setup ang ExpressVPN sa home router mo so every device in your house is protected without installing separate apps. What's up guys? Ashley here, and kung meron kang smart TVs, game consoles, and phones na parang nag-aagawan sa privacy and speed, putting ExpressVPN on the router is one of the cleanest ways to lock everything down at once. I-guide kita sa buong process kahit hindi mo pa nagagalaw yung router settings before. Pagdating sa dulong, malalaman mo kung anong setup path ang pipiliin, yung exact steps para gumana siya, and how to avoid common pitfalls that really slow people down. First off, ano ba ang ExpressVPN? So, simulan natin sa basics. Ano yung ExpressVPN? Ang ExpressVPN ay isang virtual private network na nag-encrypt ng internet traffic mo at tinatago ang IP address mo. Kapag nirun mo siya sa router level, lahat ng devices na kumo-connect sa Wi-Fi mo dumadaan na agad sa encrypted tunnel by default. Ibig sabihin yung smart TV mo, streaming stick, tablet, laptop, and game console, at kahit yung maliit na IoT devices, hindi na nila ina-expose yung home IP address mo sa internet. Magkakaroon ka ng isang central switch para sa privacy instead na mag-juggle ka ng apps sa bawat device. ExpressVPN supports fast, modern protocols like lightweight for speed and reliability. Now, let's quickly dive into some of the key features. So, ang ExpressVPN, sinusuportahan niya yung fast and modern protocols tulad ng lightweight para sa speed and reliability. May kasama rin tong network lock or kill switch, essentially to block traffic if the VPN drops. May private DNS sa bawat server at malalaking global server list para sa stable na streaming and travel needs. On certain routers, ExpressVPN offers an easy web interface with device groups and split tunneling na nagbibigay sa'yo ng control kung alin sa mga gadgets ang dadaan sa VPN and which connect normally. Lahat ng to ginawa para maging simple enough na maset mo siya once and not babysit it every day. Okay? So ayun, pasok na tayo sa kung paano talaga i-setup to. Bibigyan kita ng 3 routes. Pick the one that matches your hardware, tapos sundin mo yung step under doon. I will also explain why each step matters so the choices really do make sense. Route A, gumamit ng ExpressVPN-Compatible router firm. Ito ang pinaka-easy at pinaka-smooth na path kung supported yung router mo. So, kung wala ka pang ExpressVPN account, may link kami sa description below. Pero ang gagawin mo is pumunta sa ExpressVPN router compatibility list, tapos i-confirm mo kung supported yung exact router model mo at hardware version. Importante to kasi kapag mali ang na-flash mong firmware, pwedeng masira ang router mo. Kung supported yung model mo, ready ka na para sa easy path. Pero kung hindi, lumipat ka sa route B or consider route C below. Step number 2 is mag-backup ka ng current router settings mo. Mag-login ka sa router admin page mo, tapos i-export mo yung backup. Magiging safety net to para ma-restore yung old Wi-Fi name, password, at ISP settings mo if needed. Step number 3 is i-ready mo na yung ExpressVPN account mo. So again, mag-sign in ka sa ExpressVPN or gumawa ka ng account gamit ang link sa baba, tapos hanapin mo yung router setup page. Either ita-download mo yung tamang router firmware file para sa model mo or kukuha ka ng unique activation code na ipipaste mo later. Having these ready avoids running around mid-setup. Step number 4 is i-flash mo yung router gamit yung ExpressVPN firmware. Sa router admin page mo, pumunta ka sa firmware upgrade section and upload the ExpressVPN firmware file. Do not unplug anything during the upgrade. Kapag natapos na, magre-reboot yung router papunta sa ExpressVPN interface. Yung step na to, pinapalitan nito yung old router software ng version na may built-in ExpressVPN control panel. Step number 5 is i-run mo yung initial router wizard. Connect your computer to the router's Wi-Fi, open the router page, the wizard shows, and create your new Wi-Fi name and password. Then paste your ExpressVPN activation code or sign in with your account as instructed. Dito na malilink yung router mo sa subscription mo. Step number 6 is piliin mo yung protocol and location. I-select mo yung lightweight para sa best balance and speed at reliability. Pumili ka ng nearby VPN location para sa daily use. Closer server typically give you better speeds, pero tandaan mo na anytime pwede mo palitan yung location. Step number 7 is iset mo yung device groups and split tunneling. Optional lang to. Sa ExpressVPN router interface, pwede kang gumawa ng groups like VPN, no VPN, at media. Tapos ilalagay mo yung streaming devices sa group na pinakaswak sa use case mo. Halimbawa, keep your banking laptop outside of VPN if your bank blocks VPN traffic. Tapos yung TV mo and streaming stick, i-route mo naman through the VPN. Step number 8 is to turn on network clock. So basically, kill switch to nila. Enable the kill switch so if the VPN tunnel drops, i-block ng router yung outbound traffic hanggang ma-reconnect ulit yung secure tunnel para maiwasan yung accidental IP leaks. Step number 9 is to save and test. I-restart mo yung router mo from its interface tapos i-reconnect mo yung device mo and test your IP on site that shows your public IP. You should see the VPN location, hindi yung home location mo. Mag-stream ka ng video, maglo-load ng ilang site at i-confirm kung stable lahat. Okay, next is route B. So this is using your existing router with manual configuration. Piliin mo yung supported ng router mo, yung manual OpenVPN configuration pero hindi yung full ExpressVPN firmware. Okay, step number 1, confirm OpenVPN client support. Buksan mo yung router manual mo sa admin page, tapos i-check kung may OpenVPN client features ka. Kung PPTP or L2TP lang ang meron, skip mo na yan at mag-consider ka ng ibang router kasi outdated na yon at pwede pang less secure. Step number 2 is download configuration file. Mag-sign in ka sa ExpressVPN account mo, piliin mo yung manual configuration, select OpenVPN, then i-download mo yung config file para sa nearby location. Kailangan mo rin i-copy yung username and password na makikita sa page na yon. Hindi to yung usual account credentials mo. Specific to para sa OpenVPN. Step number 3 is import mo yung .ovpn file into your router. Sa router admin page, pumunta ka sa VPN client, click add or import and upload a file. Kasama na sa file yung OpenVPN username and password. Kapag may prompt na may field para sa TLS authorization, CA certificate upload, paste those files that come with a .ovpn package. Step number 4 is to apply and connect. I-save mo yung VPN profile tapos i-click mo yung connect. Mag-establish na yung router ng tunnel. This moves your whole home's traffic through the VPN at the router, but with the nicer ExpressVPN router interface. Step number 5 is i-test at i-refine mo siya. Check your IP. If speeds are slow, try a different nearby server. If your router supports it, enable mo yung DNS from VPN profile para hindi nagli-leak yung DNS query sa ISP mo. And lastly, route C. Palitan mo yung router mo sa VPN-Ready Model kung hindi supported yung current router mo at masyadong limited yung manual OpenVPN route. The simplest approach is to buy a router that natively supports ExpressVPN's app-style firmware or a pre-configured VPN router. Ang benefit nito is long-term stability at mas clean na control panel. Similar lang yung setup sa Route A, which is connecting new router, run the wizard, activate ExpressVPN, and then pick Lightway. Pag-usapan natin yung troubleshooting ng ilang issues. Kung connected naman yung router pero babagal yung websites, try mo mag-switch sa nearby servers or palitan yung UDP to TCP if your router's OpenVPN client allows it. UDP is usually faster, but a congested network can perform better on TCP. Tapos kung hindi ka naglo-load yung streaming services, change your server location to a different city in the same country. Some platforms block specific IP ranges intermittently. Also, i-clear mo yung cache ng TV or streaming apps tapos i-restart mo after mag-switch ng servers. Devices cannot see each other on the network if you're split tunneling. So some devices are outside the VPN and others are inside. Local discovery may fail. I-place mo yung both devices sa same group or i-disable mo muna yung split tunneling para makapag-transfer ka ng files or cast the screen. Lastly, if VPN connects then drops, enable mo yung network lock at try mo mag-ibang server. Check that your ISP modem is in bridge mode or kung isa lang dapat ang active DHCP server sa network mo. Two routers handling out addresses at once will cause random drop-offs. Okay, now na naiintindihan mo na kung paano i-set up lahat. Kung wala ka pang ExpressVPN at gusto mo mag-access, i-explain ko yung plans and pricing options. So kung gagamit ka ng exclusive link namin sa description below, i-click mo yung ExpressVPN. May ilang different options sila dito. Pwede kang kumuha ng 1 month, 12 month, and 2 years. Ipapakita ko sa iyo kung paano makakuha ng best price possible, which is yung 2-year plan. May basic, pro, and advanced sila. So sa bawat plan na to, may kasama ka rin 4 extra months free at may 30-day money-back guarantee ka. The basic plan is $3.49. May 73% savings ka sa plan na to, so makukuha mo yung VPN, 10 connections, and light protections para sa pag-block ng ads and malicious sites. Then may advanced plan naman, which is $4.49 per month at may 67% savings ka dito. Kasama na lahat ng nasa basic pero may additional ka pa na advanced protection, password manager, 50% off sa AirCov, and Identity Defender Lite. And lastly, yung Pro plan, which is $7.49 per month at may 62% savings ka dito. Kasama na lahat ng nasa advanced plan pero may extra kang 75% off sa AirCov, and then you get the Identity Defender Pro and a dedicated IP address. So definitely, piliin mo yung plan na pinaka-fit sa needs mo. Pwede mo rin i-compare lahat ng nasa features nila in more detail sa pag-scroll down below. So dapat bang mag-router level ExpressVPN ka kung gusto mo ng whole home privacy with a least maintenance. Ang paglalagay ng ExpressVPN sa router is definitely worth it. Super okay to para sa families na may home offices at sa mga may maraming devices na ayaw mag-manage ng apps sa bawat isa. Kung importante sa'yo yung top-end speeds ng gaming PC, pwede mo rin i-run yung ExpressVPN desktop app directly sa machine habang yung ibang devices naka-router tunnel pa din. Hindi ka naka-lock sa isang approach lang. For most homes, yung supported router na naka-lightweight gives the best balance ng protection and performance na may very little day-to-day work. Alam ko na mukhang complicated ang lahat ng to, pero once na masarap mo na, kusa na siyang gumagana sa background para sa'yo na hindi mo na kailangan pang isipin. If gusto mong iset up to sa home mo, make sure na gamitin mo yung exclusive link namin sa description below. This channel is dedicated sa pagtulong sa'yo na i-protect yung privacy mo, intindihin ng security tools at gumawa ng smart choices online without the tech overwhelm. Huwag kalimutan mag-like ng video na to, mag-subscribe sa channel kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, and syempre mag-iwan ng comments or questions sa baba. Gusto naming marinig ang feedback mo. Salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod.